Hello, friend. Today is a day we have been looking forward to for weeks. Today we would like to share with you one of our most favorite places where nature's stunning scenery is so very beautiful it takes your breath away. It is a place where Colossus Mountains become larger than you could possibly imagine and so powerful that they create their own weather. To cling onto their glaciers and their white tips. Can you smell these lupine flowers? Their scent just exudes their joy at the chance to sit at these giants' feet. Mountain goats giggle with glee at the challenge of their cliffs. The lakes and rivers are a beautiful glacier turquoise, showing signs that they have recently come from the glacier ice fields.
That glacial water with the rock flower in it, cutting through rock.
Moose are so content at the tasty, lush greenery. It's a place that simply driving her roads has you stunned at the views. It is one breathtaking beauty after another. The waterfalls have their own unique style, falling forever or creating grand mazes and slot canyons. Just the cliff walls are a marvel to behold. There are lakes here with such beauty and magic that they have been given names to remind its visitors to take time here to spiritually connect and to use its wonder to find a sense of peace. Yet in the summer of 2024, in the center of all this wonder, a massive fire broke out with 300 to 400 foot flames. The wind spreading it faster than 15 meters per minute. Locals say that the days afterward, just waiting for word, were the longest days of their lives, filled with worry and fear. When finally word came, a third of these people found their homes or businesses were destroyed. Can you imagine coming home to your home or business destroyed, or to a third of your town gone and now only ashes? Locals say, "We're a little beat up right now and could use some cheerleaders." The community of Jasper is a testament to the human spirit. Despite the devastating fire, they have shown incredible resilience and determination. But they need us to be cheerleaders and help them not to lose hope. As we admire the breathtaking beauty of this place, let's all remember the people who call it home. By visiting Jasper, supporting local businesses, and sharing stories of hope and recovery, we can help this community thrive. Luckily, the Park Service was able to protect much of their lakes, waterfalls, and scenery spots. So they need people coming to explore Jasper, giving support, but also be willing to be kind, gentle, and patient with a community that's trying so hard to recover and be resilient. As I encourage us to find ways to be cheerleaders to this community, I would like you to view those around you as a Jasper. Just like Jasper, if you take time to explore, you will find they also hold so much wonder and greatness, and are also amazed it is fun to discover their wonder.
This might be the coolest staircase I've ever seen.
But they also have a part of them that is damaged, been hurt. Can we find in our hearts ability to be a cheerleader for them and be gentle in helping them as they try to rebuild and recover? I hope so. VR Getaway, using VR headsets to transport you on beautiful immersive adventures. Please subscribe, like, and share with your friends. See you again real soon. Bye now.